Hello friend, let me show you our product, electronic whiteboard. First, you need to work with the projector and the PC. Okay, let me open the software. You can get it for free. As you can see, it can support a right key. Just click it and press. Here is the whiteboard. You can use your finger or this whiteboard pen. You can see it write smoothly. Here you can change the different pen and color and thickness. Here is setting. You can change the language. You can see there is 10 different languages you can choose, such as Japanese, French, English, and other. Here you can see many keys, different keys with different functions, just like this red, black, and different thickness of pen. This one is thick, more thick. And here is the brush pen. And here is eraser. About eraser, you can also use your hand to do it. Here is enlarge, and here is reduce. Here is the whiteboard, green board, and blackboard. This is the last page. And here you can use the keyboard. And here go back to the desk. How about it work with other software? This Excel, we also use it to deal with our work. You can see we can use it as normally. And let me open the browser. If you connect with the internet, you can surf the internet. And here is okay. That's all.